Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you an updo which I'm doing for my event tonight. I've got a karaoke event that I'm doing with some of my business partners, and I want to look kind of nice, so I'm just going to be doing a quick updo, and I thought I might as well show you. For this you will need a pack of expressions, and this is just to use the extensions for the updo. But yeah, I'm not going to be talking because I think it's just going to delay the video, and you guys like straightforward videos anyway. So trying to open the thing to show you. So this pack is actually mixed. It's got a bit of blonde in it. I don't mind for the hairstyle I'm doing. I really don't mind. I'm just going to use, because yeah, I think this is enough. I'm just going to use this much of the extension. Thanks in advance for watching, and I hope you like the style.
Whenever I'm gelling my hair, I start off by applying a bit of mousse. Usually I gel my hair from a dry state, so the mousse helps me to add a bit of moisture, but it really helps me in making sure that my hair stays slick. I find that when I gel my hair without mousse, my hair frizzes up very quickly. So as you can see, I'm just applying a bit of mousse all around the circumference of my head. And once I finish doing that, I will add my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. So I've incorporated this new step into gelling my hair. What I do is I separate the very fragile parts of my edges in the front. This just allows me to reduce the tension I'm putting on those areas when slicking up my hair. You will see me add gel and slick these parts up towards the end of the video once I finish the ponytail. I believe hair, I was about to say, I know my hair looks all mad, it looks a bit white, but don't worry. In the beginning of the video, I showed you one bundle that I planned on using. I actually ended up using 2 bundles, and I am just adding a hairband to the middle of these bundles. And this is just to help me attach the extension to my ponytail with ease. I separate the extensions into 2 relatively equal parts. I then twist each half down to the end. This hairstyle will also work well with plaits. Personally, I wanted a loose twisted bun, which is why I've done twists. I find that when I plait my hair, I tend to plait very tightly, and so the bun would not have had the same kind of flexibility if I had plaited rather than twisted. But I encourage you guys to try a plaited bun, and also if you like, why not be creative and plait one side and twist the other? Just have fun with it. Once I've finished twisting both halves down to the end, I take one half and wrap it in a clockwise direction, ensuring I cover my afro ponytail. I then take the second half and go in an anti-clockwise direction. This is crucial in ensuring your ponytail has a bit more character. It also helps with making sure it stays firmly on your head, and it gives your ponytail a bit more height. I didn't need bobby pins to secure the ponytail because the twisted ends were thin enough to just wrap around the ponytail and secure it in that manner. So I move on to lay my very fragile edges, and all I do is I take a bit of the gel which I was using from the beginning of the video, and that is my Eco Styler gel. I put a little bit on my edges, and I just use an edge brush and go in a semicircular motion. So I'm basically creating swoops I don't know how to define it, but you can see in the video. My hair still looks white from the residue of the mousse and gel, but once I put my scarf on and it dries, it looks black and everything is fine.
I'm keeping this on for 10 to 15 minutes whilst I just do a bit of tidying up and get dressed, and then I'll come back and show you the actual finished look. It's been like 15 minutes now, guys, and I took my scarf off. When I took my scarf off, I unraveled my hair, so I had to rewrap, but it's fine. The only thing I did off camera was I added some Got To Be glued for my flyaways, and yeah, I'm thinking of adding some hair chopsticks, some hair chopsticks to it. So add it to the front or the back. I'll add it and see if I like it. If I don't like it, it's a hairstyle I used to do in school religiously. I don't think I like it. No, I don't like it. So I'm just going to leave it how it is. What I am going to add, hold on. What I am going to add are these like hairpins that have pearls at the end, just to give it a different look. So one pin looks like this. So this is just a hairstyle you can do for New Year's Eve. The girls that are going out.
Yeah, we're just gonna fast forward this part. But what I said was you can get these hairpins from Amazon or eBay. Search something like bridal pins and they should come up.
That's my look for tonight. It's quite cute. So that's it, my twisted updo with a little bit of decorative hair accessories. I mean, if you can get your chopsticks to look nicer than I did, then obviously use chopsticks. Use whatever you have just to jazz it up a bit. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.